Good morning, Year 8. I am hopeful that this is the last assembly that I will have to record for you that you will access from home. That is because this week there were some announcements about back to school dates, and they've said that every post-primary student will be back in school from the 12th of April. So that is the Monday just after your Easter holidays. How did you feel when you heard the news? I know in my house there was mixed emotions. My children probably felt less excited than the adults. Change in any form can bring a range of emotions, and that's really natural. You may feel happy, you may feel really excited about getting back to things, or you may just feel, okay, nothing really worrying you. However, you may also go to the other end of the spectrum. You may be feeling worried or anxious or really maybe even sad about the whole thing changing again. It's really natural to feel a range of these emotions, but it's good to talk to people and talk it through and help them to understand how you're feeling. It's also really good to focus on the positives. Think about what getting back to school will mean for you from a positive point of view. It's really good getting back into your routine, getting up in the morning at a certain time, getting your breakfast, getting out to school, following the timetable. That is good to get back into. It helps your organisation, and I think you're more productive when that happens. It's really good to see your friends again. It's really good to be chatting to them, maybe just seeing them across the classroom. Seeing people face to face is a big thing that we've been missing out on. And with that in mind, you're probably, some of you, looking forward to seeing your teachers or your tutors and of course your head of year. And I know that we're all looking forward to seeing you as well. It's also good to get out of the house. Obviously, there have been a few restrictions over the last few weeks about how far you can go and all the different elements that are attached to that. But getting out of the house, getting into school and mixing with each other will be a real positive that many of us will look forward to. It's going to be fantastic not to spend so much time in front of a screen. This is not my ideal working environment, working and talking to a screen all day long, and I am so looking forward to having people in front of me in my classroom who I can teach face to face again. And with that in mind, I'm also looking forward to the socialising aspect of it all. Talking to the students in the class, talking to other members of staff, my colleagues who I haven't seen in weeks. That is going to be another positive. And I think for you as well, socialising will be a big thing. Being able to run around middle school or Armours Court and being able to just chat to people will be a really good thing that you haven't been able to do as much over the last few weeks. It's really worthwhile checking out the Wellbeing Hub on the Firefly page. In the Learning for Life section on Firefly, there are some back to school resources that Mrs. Bailey has put in. And they're a really good source for you to just have a look through, see about how you're feeling and just gauge if there's anything extra that you would maybe need to think about with regards to it. I also want you to spend some time with your tutors today or whenever you meet with them, having a think about coming back to school. Think about how you're feeling right now. It may just be one-off how you're feeling right now, or you may have a mix of emotions. Think about what you're looking forward to. Think about what you're wanting to tell if you got up to something during lockdown, or if you learned a new skill during lockdown and you'd like to share that, or if you maybe had something exciting like got a new puppy or something. Think about any questions you'd like answers to, what you would like to ask. I am not saying that the tutors or myself will be able to answer all your questions, but we'll definitely try to help as much as we can. And think about your favourite thing about being at home. Share some of your experiences and think about something that you found tricky as well. I definitely think I'm feeling a range of emotions. I'm definitely feeling nervous, but also excited about getting back into school. I'm also looking forward, as I said, to seeing all of you and to seeing my colleagues again. And I think if I was to concentrate on my favourite thing about being at home, it would be spending time with my family. But that is also something that I probably have found tricky at times. Spending time with each other 24/7 is very different to our normal way of working. Think about this with your tutor or your classmates today or whenever you meet up, and have a think about these different things and see if you can contribute towards it, just to try and get your thoughts out and talk to each other about it. As I said before, it's really good to communicate. Also, later on this week, I'll be sending you a Firefly task, which will be a short questionnaire I just want you to fill in to try and get a baseline as to how you're feeling, and also to see if any of you want extra support or if there's anything extra we could be doing whenever you come back into school. So I'd be grateful if you would get it completed this week. On a different topic, Digital Badges Leaderboard, these are the top individuals. So well done to all of you who have been involved with this. I think my numbering system's a wee bit wrong here, but well done to all of you who have been involved in it. You've all been doing really, really well, and I'm really pleased to see so many people being engaged in this. It's a really fantastic resource. Also, congratulations have to go to David Johnston, Noah Roberts and Owen McNerney, because they've been offered places in the National Youth Choir of Northern Ireland Junior Choir, and that is a great achievement. Hopefully they'll get to meet up with them over summer, depending on the restrictions. So well done. Remember, assemblies are also for celebrating achievements, not just for me talking to you. So please use it as that and tell your tutors if you want to pass on any achievements to me. So all that's really left to say, I think, is have a lovely, relaxing Easter. Remember, talk to each other. Talk to those at home who you maybe are wanting to discuss things about getting back into some type of routine. Also bear in mind that we are really looking forward to seeing you whenever you get back into school, and it'll be lovely to see you face to face again. So until then, take care and keep safe.